This is King Kerr here, and today we're going to be watching. Hold on, let me move this. Top idiot IK. What the drivers, retarded, car driving skills, yada yada yada. The link in the description will be down below. It's by Best for Fun. Let's enjoy. Really? Beep, beep, boom. Oh, sorry. Okay. Apparently that person right over there, the white car, is the idiot. I don't like both of this. I swear to God, I don't end. Wow, how stupid are they, eh? Did I pass my test? I don't think I did. Obviously that man was trying to show better himself than a motorcycle. I don't know what I just said. But seriously, do the idiot. Apparently, you see a fucking motorcycle here. Ooh, oh, damn. Damn, that car's flat as a pancake. Damn, that sucks. Oh, how in the fuck are they alive? That's bullshit. How are they alive? Look at that car. Look how wrecked that is. You cannot think that that car... never mind. Hey, pedal faster, will you? The freaking bike person. I can barely see him. I don't know if you can. This is a good way to lose weight. Or maybe I should start doing that. Post it on YouTube. Guys are getting hundreds of dollars each time I run. I think he needs to go back to school. Oh! Oh, damn! He just ripped the car. The car. Fucking facing the person. Obviously, he's angry at him. I don't know why. We're just gonna assume that the dude in the white, the black shirt is a prick. When I get angry, I won't freaking smash windshield and shit. I don't do that. That's stupid. Right there, just that alone is like $300 or $400 to get it fixed in the place. Once you can do it yourself, but I haven't met anybody yet. I know it's do it. It doesn't work in a shop anymore. I want to look at his face real quick. Oh my god. He's just going to do all the fucking doors in this damn car. What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? Is it a gun? Wow. Hopefully that one's over. I know, wait, maybe. No, I think this is over. I like that horn. Okay, that was over. It's time to do so. I don't know. This song is perfect. Ooh! Oh my god, it was a fucking truck that did it! Oh, Stupid truck. Oh! Oh! Ow! Is he okay? When they do it in slow-mo, yeah, that really helps out with everything. And then he walks away like nothing happens. Uh-oh. Idiots. I wonder how that happened.
Oh God. Oh fuck, oh God.
That person obviously should have paid attention. Dude, it literally sounds like someone trying to race. Oh, what the hell are you? Time for showing off, and this is what we get. Damn! I guess motorcycle happens like that happen. Wow. No. No, 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 no. Oh, crap, my phone died. I don't know if you guys got to see that part, but I didn't get to. I'm sorry. Just go to the video and you can see it for yourself. I'm a better driver than you are, although I just crashed. What the hell was he doing? Just freaking street racing? And he's getting out like, oh my god, I got into a bad accident. Is everyone okay? I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe. Oh wait. Oh! We didn't get to see that. I want to see that. Sorry, you have to watch this again. Sorry. Oh, he's just doing his freaking wheelies. His freaking donuts. Is this a police cruiser? See, I did good in front of the officer. Yeah, I don't think you did, buddy. This is Russia or something? No, I think this is United Kingdom. Oh! Damn. Look how stupid he is with the ground. I'm so gangsta! That was funny. I don't know what's going on. This is what happens when you become stupid on the road, people. I can make it! Nope. Oh, is that truck? Oh, damn. Oh, shit. I'd never seen in my life a truck do that. That's weird. Oh, you guys seen that, right? The truck's trailer just freaking flat. Hey, I could be able to see that. I think I know what happened. Who's honking? The same song again. How because there's no audio in this? tell me that truck wasn't trying to take a left or a right or something. I honestly don't know what happened. The hell? This is going car to car to see if which ones are in law. Oh. What the hell just happened? They got into a car. One person got into a car and the rest of them walked. Oh! Why do people have to be idiots when we're driving? Oh, look at that. This is over. Alright, that's my video, guys. Me personally, I think that was very stupid. I mean, a lot of those drivers were pretty stupid. I don't want you guys thinking like, oh, I'm the best driver in the world, and the one person's like, no, I'm better than everybody. Well, guess what? Nobody's perfect, okay? Who knows? These could have been minor accidents, or it could just be people not thinking straight, or it could be just straight up idiots. I don't know. People have their own imaginations of what happened. We don't even know those stories. Like, they could have, especially with that dude in the white and the black shirt. We don't know who did that. Besides the point, you guys tell me, have you ever gotten into an accident before? And maybe I'll do a video on that. So, anyways, this is Kane Kerr here. Hoping to brighten up your day. See you later.